Welcome everybody to a new video. Today I'm going to show you a new project I was working. Okay, sorry for the Spanish, this is not intended, sorry. Okay, so as you can see I have formulary now which is linked to this file, okay, to this Google Sheet file on my Google Drive. As you can see it's here on here. Okay, so now I am going to put my name, to put my last name, and okay, and my email. So first of all, before sending, okay, before press sending button, I am going to show you this file. Okay, as you can see there is nothing here, but look when I press this. Okay, so we can confirm that this Google Sheet file is linked to this formulary. Okay, but take a look. Okay, you can see me. This is me. Okay, so I am going now to my Java project and I press play. I am going to minimize this and I press generate CSV. Take a look. Watch out over there and watch out over there. Okay, I have a previous file. Okay, I'm going to delete. So take a look. CSV created correctly on this path. Okay, but this cell, this color text, sorry, has changed. Okay, has been updated with this color. Okay, so now I am going to close this other open app. Okay, sorry. And as you can see, this app is not needed anymore. Okay, I have pressed my button, so now I can close it. I have okay, I'm going to open it. I'm going to go to the created file, open with, excited, and as you can see, all info has been extracted on this file. Okay, now you simply go to your model, upload users, and that's all. That's all. If you want the the code, okay, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. This is very amazing project and can be very useful. Okay, I hope you like it and welcome to a new period of testing. I don't know how to say this. Okay, yeah, I am taking part from Hackintosh. I am only focused on non-beta updates. Okay, so I am getting bored on all this time, so I decided to start this project, and I think this is a good starting to introduce me to the programmer community. So I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you.